Listen to what our customers say.
And get $500 if you pass the quiz.
You don't need to know nothing. All you need to know is that what you say will happen, and that's it. You deliver on your promises.
When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family.
Hi, I'm Paul Walker. Thank you. But no, I'm the other one. My wife and I help people go solar with Walker Power. Now, nearly everyone has considered solar to help the environment, and the main reason they didn't is because their friend, Negative Nancy, got a bad deal 10 years ago and always complains about it. There are three reasons more and more people are going with solar. One, the federal and state governments are giving back 50 to 100% of the total cost, but they'll stop that very soon. They immediately receive benefits of a tax-free increase in home value with a nearly eliminated electric bill. And finally, solar costs nothing out of pocket. You replace the increasing electricity costs with a limited fixed cost that actually makes energy, which you get paid for and you become energy independent. Now, why should you trust Walker Power? Well, don't take my word for it. Listen to what our customers say.
And get $500 if you pass the quiz.
You don't need to know nothing. All you need to know is that what you say will happen, and that's it. You deliver on your promises.
Paul, you amazing. I mean, I still to this day call you for questions.
Thanks to you, the process was really easy. So you've been really honest.
I never felt alone in this thing.
Because my light bill went from high to low, and plus I got a check for $206.
More and more people are buying this limited resource, which means utility prices have to increase. But solar homeowners have a fixed price until the panels are paid off. Then the electricity is free for what remains of the 40 years that the panels last. The crisis of last year caused the federal government to extend the 26% federal solar initiative tax credit, SITC, to help you keep more of your money. Now, some utility companies are paying for the energy that the solar homeowners make, which is called a temporary renewable energy credit, a TREC. Like I said, it is temporary. It's right in the name. So you want to take advantage of this before it ends. For more about the SITC or the TREC, please click the link down below in the description. The federal and state governments will stop paying for this soon. Take our no obligation quiz to see if you qualify. It's super quick and easy. You just answer a few questions about your location, your energy use, and the aspects of your home to receive possibly tens of thousands of dollars. These benefits are paid out for 15 years in real cash payments to you. Going solar comes down to a simple decision. With the utility, you have no control and you will continue to pay more and more for this limited resource, supply and demand. With solar, the federal and state government cover much of the cost since solar energy is a future. You pay a fixed amount and then you stop paying. There's no upfront cost and you immediately receive a tax-free increase in home value. Now that's the carrot. What's the stick? Only homeowners who meet certain qualifications and specific zip codes qualify for up to 15 years of cash payments from the utility for making energy, instead of the infinite years of cash payouts to the utility for the energy that they make. As I said, take our no obligation quiz to see if you qualify. It's super quick and easy. You just answer a few questions about your location, energy use, and access to your home to receive possibly tens of thousands of dollars in benefits, including up to 15 years of real cash payments to you.
If you're still unsure, know that we have a 30-day money-back guarantee for loans and leases.
For the next 45 seconds, I will make this even easier for you. Would you be opposed to getting $500 if you pass this quiz? I will pay you when you're installed. The only thing that you have to lose is all the money the utility will continue to take from you every month for the rest of your life. Remember, the quiz is free. You have no obligation to go solar at this hugely discounted price. But if you don't go solar soon, with me or somebody else, you'll be forced to pay full price when solar is mandated by the government. Think about it. Did you pay full price for the mask that you have to wear to enter any store now? But instead of getting back most of the $2 to $8 you paid for 40 days of using a mask, the deal with solar is you get back most of the $20,000 to $80,000 you pay for 40 years of electricity. Thanks for listening, and remember, when you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family.
When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family. Check out our monthly specials, walkerpower.energy/solar-products/special-offer. Plus, get 30-day money-back guarantee on our loans and leases. For more info, call 973-98-SOLAR or email Paul Walker at walkerpower.energy.
Para más información en español, contacta jasminewalker@walkerpower.energy.
If you'd like to know more about solar installation, removing the solar animals below your panels, or how to get solar tax credits, then please click like, hit subscribe, comment, share, and align with Walker Power on YouTube, Facebook, and Alignable. Like, subscribe, comment, and share on Rumble as well. Tweet with Walker Power for All on Twitter. Like, share, Paul Walker Power on Instagram. Here's how to reach our digital marketing agency. Contact Paul Walker, info@walkerconsulting.biz, 908-377-1391.